Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to get the memo line to print on checks in QuickBooks Online using the updated 2026 layout. So first, let's open up a browser and head to QuickBooks.com. Click Sign In, enter your email and password, and once the dashboard loads, we can jump right in. Start by opening your account and settings, click the gear icon, choose Account and Settings, and then go to the Expenses tab. In the check printing section, make sure the option to print the memo on checks or show the memo field on check stubs is turned on. That little setting is usually the one people miss. Next, open a check by clicking New and choosing Check. At the bottom of the form, type your memo exactly the way you want it to appear when printed. Before printing, open Print and Preview and check the print setup. QuickBooks shows you where the memo will fall on the check. If it looks off, adjust the alignment slightly. Print a sample check first, compare it to your actual check paper, and tweak the alignment if you need to. Once it looks right, print the final check, and your memo should show at the bottom of the check and on the stub. And that's it. That's how to get the memo line to print on checks in QuickBooks Online for 2026. Thanks for watching.